In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize blocks in Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine. Whether you're fine-tuning the layout of your website or just making some design adjustments, resizing blocks is a key aspect of customizing your Squarespace site. Let's make sure we approach it with clarity so you can follow along without any hassle. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Squarespace account. Head over to the Squarespace login page and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. This is the central hub from which you can manage your website's settings, design, and content. From here, click on Website. This will take you to the section where you can modify different aspects of your site. Next, navigate to Pages, where all the individual pages of your site are listed. Clicking on Pages opens up a sidebar on the left. This is where all your existing pages like Home, About, or Blog are displayed. Choose a page that you want to work on by clicking on it. After selecting the page, hit the Edit button. This button is usually located at the top of the page. Once you're in edit mode, you'll be able to interact with different elements and sections on your page, which is essential for the task we're about to do. Now identify the block you want to resize on your page. Blocks form the building elements of Squarespace pages, and you can have various types like text, image, or calendar blocks, to name a few. To begin resizing, click on the block once to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see options or borders surrounding it. Then hover your cursor over one of the corners or an edge of the block. You're looking for your cursor to change into a double-headed arrow. This arrow indicates that you can adjust the size of the block. With that cursor in place, it's time to resize. Click and hold your mouse button down and then drag to adjust the block's width and height. You might want to take a moment here to visualize your end goal for the block's size on your page. As you drag, you'll see the block resizing in real time, which allows you to stop once you've reached your desired dimensions. This drag and drop feature is intuitive, but don't hesitate to make multiple adjustments until it looks just right. And there you have it. Resizing blocks in Squarespace 7.1's Fluid Engine is as straightforward as that. By following these steps, you can personalize and perfect the layout of your page to fit your vision or design goals. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and feel ready to tackle your website design projects with confidence. Thank you for watching and happy designing with Squarespace.